lava, and rain. And today we're going to be reciting some of your favorite lines. First one. Everything good, everything magical happens between the months of June and August.
I thought you knew. I thought you knew. From the moment we kissed on the beach, Sean, I thought you knew. Get the fuck away from me.
You don't need to hurt yourself to get my attention.
The past doesn't determine your fate. It's the choices that you make today. Trust me, I know things. Right?
Boys may come and go, but friendships last a lifetime.
I would rather have someone shoot me in the head with a nail gun repeatedly than have to watch him touching her like that all night. Just don't play yourself, you're so sexy. Okay.
Life's too short not to spend it with the person you love.
He cheated on my sister with Lacey Perron. Who the is Lacey Perron?
The fun in life is figuring out where the rest of the story goes.